Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Honorable members, rapid development of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, preservation of their culture and traditions, transparent and honest administration, and democratic empowerment are among the priorities of my government. During the President's rule and since becoming a union territory, all the developmental projects in Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh have gained momentum. Towards the end of the year 2018, elections in more than 4,400 panchayats of Jammu Kashmir were conducted in a peaceful manner. For the first time since independence, elections to more than 300 block development councils have also been held there. The people there are now getting full benefits under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Ujjwala Yojana, Ayushman Yojana, Ujala Yojana, DBT and food subsidy in a transparent manner. Under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, while around 3,500 houses were built in Jammu Kashmir till March 2018, in less than 2 years thereafter construction of more than 24,000 houses has been completed. Apart from this, works relating to connectivity, irrigation, hospitals, schemes related to tourism, and establishment of institutes of higher education such as IIT, IIM, AIMS are also proceeding at a rapid pace in Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. NAFED has been entrusted with the responsibility for the direct procurement of apples in Jammu Kashmir. This has specially benefited the apple growers of Kashmir Valley. Honorable members, the success of public welfare scheme of my government and the historic decisions taken by the government have increased the expectations of the countrymen as well as the responsibility of the government. For many years, the people of the country desired that they should be able to pay their respects at Kartarpur Sahib with ease. My government has built the Kartarpur Sahib corridor in record time and dedicated it to the nation on the occasion of 550th birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. It is a privilege for my government to have got the opportunity to celebrate the 550th birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji with full veneration within the country and abroad. The 400th birth anniversary of Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji will also be celebrated in a befitting manner with full grandeur and devotion by my government. Honorable members, over 40 lakh people living in the capital city of Delhi had been living for many years in the hope that one day they would get the ownership rights of their homes and that they will be able to lead a dignified life. The government has fulfilled this long awaited expectation of people living in more than 1700 colonies of Delhi. Farmers, agricultural laborers, unorganized sector laborers, and small traders of the country had expectations of a pension scheme that would be of help to them in their old age. My government has not only fulfilled their wish but also has covered about 60 lakh beneficiaries so far. Under these pension schemes, Pujya Bapu always considered cleanliness next to goodliness. On the occasion of Gandhiji's 150th birth anniversary on 2nd October last year, rural areas of the country have paid a befitting tribute to the father of the nation by declaring themselves free from open defecation. Now it is incumbent on all of us to make our cities and villages even more clean and beautiful in the coming decade. Stop. Thank you.